Okay guys, so this is the last rotator cuff strengthening exercise. Taylor is gonna help, she's one of our therapists, and she's gonna help us demonstrate that today. The last rotator cuff muscle that we hadn't talked about is the teres minor. The teres minor is the muscle that sits down on the back part of the shoulder blade, back outer part of the shoulder blade. It comes up, attaches to the back outer part of the humeral head, and if your arm's in the abductive position, it externally rotates to allow you to do this. And so when people have a teres minor tear or some form of a deficiency, whether the muscle is atrophic or smaller than it normally is and has turned to fat, it means that you will end up with something called a hornblower sign. So you can't bring your arm up to blow your horn, so they call that a positive hornblower sign. And so people who want to strengthen their teres minor, you want to, again, trap the band with a door, and then, as you can see, Taylor has wrapped the band around her fist, and so you bring your arm up into the abductive position, 90 degrees here, 90 degrees at the elbow, and then you essentially just turn or externally rotate your shoulder. Hold that for 5 seconds, back down, and then back up. Hold isometric contraction, and then back down, okay? And so you can do 3 sets of 10 for that as well, and you'll have isolated each of your rotator cuff muscles. You'll have gotten those stronger just by doing the resistance band. And again, the rotator cuff only does about 1 to 5 pounds of work. If you are doing more than 5 pounds, or you have a dumbbell and it's doing 10 pounds, and you're trying to do these, which one may be a little bit hard, but 2, if you're doing 10 pounds, you may engage your rotator cuff, but what you're gonna be working more is your back part of your deltoid, or your deltoid in general. You may work your pectoralis and or your trapezius back here. So again, 1 to 5 pounds of work. So if you don't have these bands and you have some dumbbells at the house, so if you get the dumbbells between 1 and 5 pounds, you can still do these exercises as well. And instead of using the bands, just use the dumbbells. Okay.